Hey, Snow Dog. We've got some vigorous sniffing this morning. They're little. Oh, look at this. This is fascinating. Okay, so I don't know. Hopefully the camera can catch this. This is a large predator bird. You can see the wing marks in the snow. Could have been an owl. We do have a barred owl that hangs around here. I don't know if she's around or he. But you can see the wing marks in the snow. Oh, it's before Myles steps all over it. That is so neat. Incredible. I guess they hear the voles or mice, field mice. Yeah, Myles is very interested in this. Must have caught something because he's really interested in that scent. But you can see the wing marks. So cool. So I love when the snow falls because you really get to see who's around. I think this might be something a little bigger. Oh yes. So this could be coyote maybe, or wolf. Yeah, definitely a larger footprint. Who knows who's lurking around here? What a day. What a day. Just beautiful. Hey, buddy. Come on, Myles. Those are fox tracks. You can always tell when they go in a straight line, and it almost looks like cat. But sometimes we get cats. Barn cats, likely. Oh, we got larger tracks here. Not a fox. Definitely a larger predator. Oh yes. There's always a lot of activity back here. That'd be a big boy, whoever that is. Going to the neighbor's property. Looking a little perturbed. This whole hedge on the left is just covered in berries in the summertime. We get raspberries and some blueberries and other ones that I don't quite know what they are. We don't eat berries we don't recognize. but the birds love them. And a little up the road, we have one of our neighbors has a high bush cranberry patch. So we had the opportunity to pick a basket full last year, which was amazing. I still have them in the freezer, so hoping to try some cranberry jelly. See how that turns out. I've heard it's quite delicious. I can smell the wood fire smoke from the neighbors' wood stoves. It's kind of nice. Love that smell. There he goes. Almost 15 and he just loves to run. It's wetlands in here, and then there's another opening. Oh, bunny tracks. Very recent. So sweet. They have the cutest giant feet. And fox tracks nearby, so that's not really a surprise. Oh, there's a bunny. Oh, I don't know. Oh, they're so hard to catch on camera. They're so fast. Definitely a mix of tracks. I don't think I can get up there. Oh, I'll let that bunny have her peaceful day. So neat. Hey, sweetie. What's in there? You smell a bunny? Yeah. Come on, buddy. Well, Bugaroo, what do you say? Ready to go back? Let's go. Come on. There you go. Well, sweetie,